Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to another Cajun toy review. And today we're looking at G.I. Joe Gung Ho. Now this is from the Walmart exclusive line. These retro carded figures are basically to replicate the original look of the G.I. Joes in the 80s. And this Gung Ho, the colors on this guy and everything is classic. They've already released the Gung Ho for the classified line, and he is much more modernized, and we'll look at him compared. But yeah, this is the Gung Ho I pretty much remember. Maybe not as brightly colored, but I like it. It's a very unique looking figure, and these little card backs are kind of nice. But yeah, there's 4 figures so far from the series. There is Destro, Lady J, and the Baroness. I picked up the Baroness and Lady J. I'll probably get Destro. Those didn't look so much different versus the ones we already got. And I think like Snake Eyes and Storm Shadow and some more coming out. And as I see them, if I think they look cool, I'll probably get them. But this Gung Ho definitely is unique. So yeah, got a little bit of read up. Born in the back swamp. I can't read that. Born in the back swamp, Cajun knuckle Gung Ho won a reputation as a bare knuckle brawler. Joined the Marines at 15 and graduated top of his class from boot camp. And yeah, that is a much shorter file card than anything that you used to get back in the day. You got information that you didn't even want to know. Just crazy stuff sometimes. But yeah, enough of that. Let's open this up and check out Gung Ho. Alright, Gung Ho does come with a few accessories, I think more than the original, but we'll look at that. But we got this backpack, which is just as brightly colored as him. This really crazy, man, it's like pistachio ice cream color. Like, it is a strange color for a military character. But yeah, I mean, that looks like ice cream. Luckily, his hat is much darker. And you got the Marine symbol on there. It is nicely done with all this kind of wearing it. When I bring out the other Gung Ho, I'll look at both hats together. I think it's a little different. We have this knife, which is a little bent. I'm gonna get that back in there. But yeah, it's like a fixed blade, standard knife, combat knife. It looks good, and of course, it can be holstered in a very bright holster on his boot, like so. I'm gonna slide right down his foot. So yeah, I think that's backwards. It feels backwards. There we go. There we go. We got a knife right in there, boats. Okay, so we're going to just leave him to the side for a second. We'll go ahead and put the backpack on there as well. So go ahead and show you that. It just ports in like so. We're going to go ahead and put the hat on there. We'll just do it as we do. Whoa, that's a tight fit. There we go. Look at all your little hats. All right. Got the hat on there. Go ahead and just put him on the stand. Comes with a nice stand with a G.I. Joe flat star on there. 2 pegs on there. Always approve 2 pegs, eh? You know, why give you 1? We can have 2. You have 2 feet. I'm looking at you, DC. I mean, McFarlane. All right, so there we got on there. Then he has this little sidearm, this little pistol. It's like a Glock-looking gun. It does have a hole in it, so you can put like smoke or fire if you have one of those effects. You can do that. But nicely detailed, and once again, can be holstered into his side. Very bright holster. Lastly, Gung Ho comes with this really nice looking, looks like a grenade launcher, but it also looks like a shotgun to me, with the fire thing on the front. This looks really nice. The strap is a different color, so you can actually have him hold this. He doesn't come in any different hands, but if you want, you can actually put it over his arm too. So you can have him basically hold everything he has. I like it. Let's look at the figure. Alright, so here we have our 2 Gung Hos. Hos? Is that the right term for it? Yeah, Gung Hos. And you can clearly see that there is a big difference between these 2 Gung Hos, stylistically, color-wise, everything. Even tattoos are bigger and bigger. So yeah, completely new body, completely new sculpt and stuff like that. Maybe not the boots. The legs are the same. We got a little extra strap right there. Legs are the same, belt's the same, jacket's not the same, arms aren't the same, head's not the same, hat's not the same, backpack's not the same. You clearly see the difference there. But yeah, 2 different interpretations of Gung Ho, and I think they both have things I like about them. You know, definitely. We're gonna go ahead and take you out, I guess. But yeah, let's try the hat on real quick. I just want to hat swap. Oh yeah, and this one got hair and this one don't. Another difference. So kind of like that hat on there. Let's see if you can put this hat on your big old head, because he's got a big old, not even close. Wow. Okay. So all right, so that's better. right, so Gung Ho, looking at the new Gung Ho, I think he's cool, man. I definitely think he's worth it and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at him up close. We'll get some of the stuff out of there. I think the face is really well done. I do like the bald head. That mustache looks really good. Tattoos painted really nicely. So yeah, if you want to take this out, you can do some American History X or something. That's what it reminds me of, but it's not even the same thing. Yeah, it's got a little nice little wristband on there. I like these. So it is a grenade launcher because here's the shells. And yeah, overall, nice looking figure. Got some grenades on his vest right there. Yeah, I want a vest for grenades, man. But yeah, I think it's a good looking figure. Very simple. So let's take a look at the articulation. Gung Ho can look all the way up to the heavens. He can look all the way down the opposite way as once. He can got a crazy good nice tilt, full rotation on his head. That looks really strange. We got full bicep swivel, and look at them guns. Yep, butterfly, rotate. Double jointed elbows. Drop it. Bring it back down. Clickety clack. Get that in place. All right. We got ab crunch. Wow. Look at that. Back rotation at the waist. Split. That is official Van Damme right there. All right. We got thigh cut. A little bit hindered by that. Not too much. You can work around it. Just get it down. Double jointed knees. And they look good. Same knees as the other one. Boot cut. Ankle pivots. Peg holes in the bottom of his feet. Stands extremely well. And yeah. Cool figure, guys. I like it. I hope they kind of do more of these. I like these alternate takes of these more traditional looking classic figures. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this figure? Yes or no? And I'm also trying to speed up some of these reviews. Sometimes I think I just ramble on too long, and man, I notice it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the sweet spot time down. So this is kind of a test run on that, a quick review, try to hit all the points on it. So hope I did. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you guys think. As always, if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Just search for Cajun Toy Review. If you want to hear more of me, you can find me on the podcast, Two Old Cajuns Nerd Out, with my buddy, the Cajun Towboater. So again, Yojo, as always, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.